How to find YouTube channel email address. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube and then click on search bar on top. Simply search username of the YouTube channel you want to see email address of. Search and then click on their profile and you'll find more options which is in their bio. Click on more, which is also about subscribe, and then in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. If they have email address public, you'll find it here in this way, as you can see. If not, you will not find it in here. Simply click on view email address and you'll be able to view their email address. And this is how to find YouTube channel email address. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.